goal setting. Now, what does goal setting means? Now, many times we are moving ahead in our life without knowing where we want to reach or where we are going to go. Now, I'm going to give you a very, very good and an easy example which you can understand. Now, suppose I have to go from Mumbai to Delhi. Okay, and I'm going by road through my car, and what is the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mobile, open my Google Maps, enter my destination, that is Delhi, and I'm going to enter my starting point, that is Mumbai. Now the Google Maps is going to give me the best road, the shortest road, the quickest road, avoiding traffics, the estimate time, and everything is going to be in front of me, and I'm going to follow it. Do you understand what happened here? I kept a goal for myself, that is Delhi, and after that I made my path to go over there. If I don't know, if I don't know I want to reach Delhi, will I ever reach Delhi? I will not. You understand? That is why it is important to have a goal. You need to know where you're going in your career as well. Do you do this in your life when you're traveling, that okay, what I'll do is I'll walk 1 kilometer and then I will decide which direction I need to move and how much steps I need to take. Then I will walk 2 kilometers in east direction and then I'll see what I need to do. We don't do that. We plan it as in how we are supposed to go. But what we are doing with our career is we are like, let me complete my 12th and then I'll see which degree. Let me complete my degree, then I'll see what jobs are there. This is not a way that we should go with our career. We need to know the goal first and then we need to create our path to achieve that goal. Okay? And that is why goal setting is very, very important. And how are you going to do that? The first thing you'll do it by is truly understanding the importance of goal setting. And what I explained you right now is, that thing. That you need to understand how important goal setting is, because if you don't understand where you want to go before you start your journey, there are very less chances that you will reach there. Understand the gravity of this statement. You need to understand where you want to go, and that is only how you will reach there. So how you're going to do this is you need to have a main goal for yourself, and this main goal will have a collaboration of your personal and your career goals. For example, I'm a person who wants to become an architect. Okay, so what my goal is going to be like, that I am an architect, I am a successful architect leading an honest and peaceful life and helping millions of people around me. Now this collaborated my career goal and my personal goal. Personally, I want to be a person who wants to help millions of people. And by career, I want to become a successful architect. And I collaborated this, and I'm going to write this on a paper and I'm going to stick it in front of me where I see it every day. And that is how I'm going to achieve it, because now I know I want to become an architect. So I know what I have to do to achieve it. Okay, and to get to that main goal, I will have to achieve a lot of immediate goals, right? So my becoming an architect is, say, a 10 years goal from now. To reach that goal, I need to have a goal for every year, for every 6 months, for every month. That is only how I'll make sure I'm going to actually achieve my 10 years goal, right? So to achieve your main goal, you need to have immediate goals. And for that immediate goals, you need to have a planner where you will exactly write what are you going to do this month, what are you going to do this week, and what are you going to do tomorrow. Simple thing, guys, your brain is something that it will do something that you tell it to do. If you don't tell it to do something, you will be blank for the entire day. It happens with us, right? That, okay, I have to do so many things tomorrow. I know what I have to do, but the day just passes by, it just goes by and we don't do anything. Why? Because we didn't allot time, we didn't allot a proper timetable or a planner to it. A day prior, your brain has to know what's going to happen tomorrow, and that's how you'll make sure that it will actually happen tomorrow. A simple thing that we all don't follow. Okay, this is how you actually make sure that your planner works for you. And the last step over here in goal setting is taking daily actions. That is, once you have set your goals, you actually have to take action daily to complete that goal. Only when you do that, you will know that, okay, you're actually moving forward. Now, I know I want to go from Mumbai to Delhi, but I just know it. I'm not going to move from my seat. Will I reach there? No. have to, hour by hour, I have to keep getting my car ahead. That is how I'm going to reach there. So daily action taking is important. So this is how you're going to set goals, and this is how goal setting is going to create a huge difference in your life. You think goal setting is something that is very important and we are not following? If yes, just give me a big yes in the comment box. And give me a yes if you're actually going to, from today onwards, make a goal card for yourself, understand what you want from your life and understand why are you pursuing that in your life, and is that result, the end result, something that is really does it matter to you? Right? Because if you don't know what the end result is, you'll put your hard efforts for years and years and reach there and be like, oh, I never wanted to be here. Sounds like my story? Right, it is my story. That I worked hard for 5 years just to understand that I never wanted to do biotechnology. Okay, but I did take a step for myself, and that's why I'm proud of myself, that I did get out of that cycle. And I know each and every one of you present in this webinar have that potential in you to take that step and move ahead in life, right? Komal, Mr. Chaudhary, Piyush, Siddhi, awesome guys, that's nice. Excellent. Rasika, that's awesome. So the fourth step over here is